A full review about METAEGG and my experience on METAEGG. Now, if you're new to METAEGG, this video is a full and detailed video that will explain the how it works, because I wrote down what I want to explain to you, because there are so many complaints of individuals not getting how to navigate on this platform. Now we have how to register, we have how all the features works, how to recharge your account, and how to buy chickens on this platform, and how you can feed the chicks, and how you can see the number of chicken that you have purchased, and also how you can see your daily eggs income. Now also how you can convert your eggs to cash, and also how you can withdraw in naira, and also how you can withdraw in dollar, and an additional value of getting chicken coop. These chicken coop are also what you need to maximize your earnings. So if this is what you want to see, I will advise you watch this video down to the very end, and welcome to this channel. Now what you just have to do is to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. Let me quickly run a recap of how this platform works. Now this is unlike several of my videos. I just want to take my time to explain this because there are so many questions about this platform. Now this is a physical business model that is now brought to the online space, which is called the farm yard and the METAEGG. Now what you just have to do is to buy chicken, just like you getting chicken, and you are actually training the chicks and they are producing eggs. Now this eggs is what is useful to you and I. This eggs is what you can actually trade. This eggs is what you can convert to USDT, or you can convert to your local currency and place withdrawal. Now before you need to get these eggs, you need to get these chickens to lay eggs for you. Now these chickens need to be fed for them to be able to produce these eggs for you. Without feeding these chickens, you can't get productions from them. Now you also need to clean your farmyard to have a neat environment for them to be able to produce these eggs. Okay, so this is just a brief explanation about this platform. Now I'm going to take you down to my screen and show you the practical method of how this platform works. Alright, so many of us watching this video already have an account on this platform. For the sake of those just joining us or just signing up for the first time, once you go down, clicking the first link on the pinned comment section, you're going to be brought into this interface. Now this is a registration interface where you get to set up an account for yourself. You just have to leave this USDT the way you're seeing it, put in your registered email address. Now after putting your registered email address, come down to where it says enter code. By the right, click on send, then a verification code will be sent to this email address you added above. Now copy that verification code, then enter it right here, then put in a login password, then click on register. Then automatically your account will be created right on this platform. Now after the creation of your account will look like this. You're going to be seeing the interface just like this. I'll be taking this step by step so you can understand how it works. Now you can actually see we have the home, we have the trade, we have the farm, team, and my. Now when you come down to home, you can actually see that we have the information, activity, trade, and invitation. Now for the sake of this explanation, I'll advise you ignore this particular interface. Now when you come down to mine, you can actually see that my balance right here is 1.0 USDT. And when you come down to egg balance, you can actually see that my egg balance is 11.1. Now you can actually convert your eggs to your earnings, like your profit, just like what I said. To convert your eggs to profit, you would need to come down to trade. Now when you come down to trade, it's just like you selling your eggs, and you're going to be getting these into USDT. Now once you come down to input the amount of 11 USDT that is above right here, you're going to be seeing what you'll be getting in USDT. Let me just come down and say I want to exchange this. I'm actually selling my eggs and I'm getting the USDT in return. Let me go back so you can understand what I mean. Right now you can actually see I have over 1.0 USDT, and you can see that my egg balance is 11.1, and if I'm to convert this, I'll be getting 5.2 USDT. Now to convert this to your USDT, because you can't withdraw your eggs, you need to convert your eggs down to USDT for you to be able to place withdrawal on your account. Now you just have to come down to trade, and you're going to be inputting this 11. You don't have to input any points, just put in the figure you have first. Now you can see that I'll be getting 5.2 USDT. So once I go ahead clicking on exchange immediately, it's going to bring me over to this interface, and you can actually see the details of what you'll be getting. Now you'll be getting the total of 5 USDT. Just go down and click on confirm exchange, and once you click on confirm exchange, you can see quick trade successful. Now when you go back to your account, you can actually see that 5 USDT have been added to my balance. Now I have 6.2 USDT. Now if I want to go ahead to place withdrawal on my account, I can come down to USDT, or I can go to Naira. I can convert this to Naira, and you can see the amount I'll be getting in Naira. Okay, once I go to Naira, you can actually see that I can withdraw 9,872 Naira. You just have to click on withdraw, and it's going to bring you over to this interface. Now since you're withdrawing with Naira or your local currency, you just have to click on fiat currency, and you're going to be selecting NGN, and you're going to put in the exact amount for withdrawal. Okay, so once you click on that, you're going to be withdrawing through your Naira. Now if you want to go ahead withdrawing through the USDT, you just have to come down to this and click on USDT, and it's going to convert back to USDT, as you can see right now. So if you want to go ahead to place withdrawal on your account, you just have to come down to withdraw, and you're going to select the actual wallet you want to use, which is the USDT, and you can actually see that the coin withdrawal network is TRC20. Now you just have to come down and paste that withdrawal address right here, put in the amount, and click on confirm withdrawal, following the process, and you're going to be placing withdrawal on your account. Now note that only what you have on your balance is what is withdrawable. You can only withdraw what you have on your balance, just like the way you're seeing mine. So once you have X, convert them to USDT. To convert them, I just showed you, you go to trade and you convert them. So once you're able to convert them to USDT, you'll be seeing that on your balance, and you can place withdrawal. But now on this video, I'm going to show you what you can also do with your X to get more income for yourself. Now there's a question that people ask: how do I recharge my account in Naira, and how do I recharge my account in USDT? Now to recharge your account is very simple. Right on your account, you can see we have the recharge button and the withdraw button. Now just go over to recharge, and it's going to bring you over to this interface. That is why I love this platform, because it's user friendly, and you can actually access this platform wherever you are. Now you can actually see the cryptocurrency and the fiat currency. If you want to recharge using your USDT, by clicking on this, and you're going to inputting the amount you want to recharge, and you're going to click on recharge, and it's going to show you a wallet address you're going to use to fund your account. Let me show you. For instance, we are recharging through the USDT. All you just have to do is to come down and select USDT, then put in the amount you want to recharge. Let me say 5 USDT, then click on recharge, and it's going to bring you over to this interface. Here you can actually see that it says to be paid 5 USDT. Now copy this wallet address, then transfer the exact fund to this platform, and you're going to be having 5 USDT reflecting on your account. Now if you now want to go ahead recharging through your Naira or your local currency, come down to fiat currency. You're going to be recharging through your local bank account. Come down to this and click on NGN. Then you can actually see that the amount you can recharge is starting from the range of 1,000 down to 500,000. Let me say you want to recharge 1,000. Just click on 1,000, or you type 1,000, then click on confirm recharge, and it's going to ask you to pay immediately. Okay, so once you click on pay immediately, it's going to bring you over to an interface where you can actually see to confirm this. So once you click on confirm, it's going to bring you over to where you can actually see the account number you can deposit, and you are going to recharge the exact amount you want to recharge on your account. For the reproduction aspect, where you are actually going to make money on this platform is when you come to farm right here. You can actually see that we have several interface on this account. Now when you come down to garden, you can actually see that we have the purchase, the claim, and the feed. Most people will say they are actually looking for their chicken. This is actually maybe due to network. Just hold on, and you're going to be getting your interface completely. Now you can actually come right here, and you will be seeing the purchase, the claim, and the feed. Now once you want to get chicken on this platform, you just have to come down to purchase. Now you can see that the price of chicken right here is 3 USDT for one. Now once you multiply this to 2, it's going to give you 6 USDT. Once you multiply by 3, you're going to be paying 9 USDT for this. Okay, so this is actually the amount of a single chicken, which is 3 USDT. Now if you're to use naira to pay for this, it will be around 4,000 plus of getting one chicken. Once you go ahead clicking on buy now, automatically your chicken is going to be multiplied on this platform. You can actually see where it's written my chicken. I have a total of 8 chicken right on my account. Now the next thing you want to do is to come in daily and come down to claim and click on check in. Now feeds on this platform are totally free. Yes, they are totally free. All you just have to do is to click on complete or check in daily, and you're going to be getting free feed to feed your chicken. Now when you come down to feed right now, you can see that I have a total of 75 packs. That is, I have over 75 packs feed my chicken. So there is no way you will say you are lacking feed to feed your chicken. Okay, so what you just have to do is to pay attention to what this chicken has to say. Now it says, after a healthy meal I feel full of energy. Now if this chicken is hungry, this chicken will say, please feed me, I am hungry. Now just click on feed and this chicken will be okay. This chicken will make a statement and say, please clean up this manual, and you will clean that, and your cumulative egg production will continue. Now once you delay in feeding this chick, or you delay in cleaning the environment of this farmyard, your chicken production will be very slow. That is why I said every minute, every hour, check around this, listen to what this chicken has to say. This chicken is actually what you are going to pay attention to get fast production. Now you can actually see that my cumulative egg production is just reading fast, as I have 22.69 eggs right now. As you can see, the production is very fast. So this is all you have to do around this farmyard. Now there's an additional value you will get on this interface. Okay, once you come down to farm, you can actually see that there is a chicken coop where you can get monthly income every single time. Once you come down to chicken farm and you click on this, now this is what you need to do. Instead of converting your eggs to USD and place withdrawal, you can quickly come down right here and get chicken coops that will in turn give you additional egg to what you have on your account. I don't know if you understand this. This is what it says: invest in chicken farm and quickly accumulate eggs. Now once you accumulate eggs on your account, instead of converting that eggs to USDT and placing withdrawal, all you just have to do is to come right here and you use your eggs and purchase more eggs on your account. But note that this is after 30 days, expected output of 30 days. Now once you click on this small chicken coop, you can actually purchase this small chicken coop for 10 eggs, and in total of 30 days you'll be getting 12 eggs. Okay, now it depends on how the rate of eggs accumulate. If the value of eggs actually increase, you're going to be getting additional value of what you used in getting these eggs. Now once you are able to accumulate 100 eggs and you come right here to get this medium coop, this medium chicken coop, you're going to be getting a total of 120 eggs at the end of 30 days. Same applies to last chicken coop. Once you have about 1,000 eggs and you come right here to purchase this, you'll be getting a total of 1,220 eggs at the end of 30 days. So once you keep on going on and on, you're going to be getting additional eggs on your account. Instead of converting your eggs into USD and placing withdrawal, you're going to be using these eggs you have right on your account and getting more eggs on your account. I believe this is well explained. If you have any questions regarding this video, I will advise to drop your comment below this video and I'll be glad to give replies to them. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. See you on my next video and keep winning.